Aurochs, Bus Primigenius, 1627. The aurochs was part of the Pleistocene megafauna. It probably evolved in Asia and migrated west and north during warm interglacial period. The oldest known aurochs fossils found in India and North Africa date to the Middle Pleistocene and in Europe to the Holstein interglacial. As indicated by fossils remained in northern Europe, it reached Denmark and southern Sweden during the Holocene. The aurochs declined during the late Holocene due to habitat loss and hunting, and became extinct around the 17th century. Dudurapus curculus to 1662. The dudu is an extinct flightless bird that was endemic to the island of Mauritius, which is east of Madagascar in the Indian Ocean. The dudu's closest relative was the also extinct and flightless Rodrigues solitaire. The two form the subfamily Rapina, a clade of extinct flightless birds that were a part of the family which includes pigeons and doves. The closest living relative of the dudu is the Nicobar pigeon. Passenger pigeon, Ectopistis migratorius, 1914. The passenger pigeon or wild pigeon, Ectopistis migratorius, is an extinct species of pigeon that was endemic to the North Africa. Its common name is derived from the French word passenger, meaning passing by. Due to the migratory habits of the species, the scientific name also refers to its migratory characteristic, the morphologically similar mourning dove, Zenaida macroura, was long thought to be its closest relative.
The Muscow water dog, also known as the Muscow diver, Muscow retriever, or Muscovsky woodlands, was a little-known dog breed derived from the Newfoundland, Caucasian Shepherd Dog and East European Shepherd. It is now extinct but was used in the development of the Black Russian Terrier. The Muscov water dog was produced only by the Red Star Kennels, the state-operated organization chartered to provide working dogs for the armed services of the Soviet Union. The breeding program was discontinued as the dogs would attack drowning victims instead of saving them. Hawaiian crow. The Hawaiian crow or Lalalia corvus hawaiiensis is a species of bird in the crow family. Corvidae that is currently extinct in the wild. Thought reproduction programs are underway. It is about the size of the carrion crow at 48 to 50 cm, but with more rounded wings and a much thicker bill. It has soft, brownish black plumage and long, bristly throat feathers. The feet, legs, and bill are black today. The Hawaiian crow is considered the most endangered of the family Corvidae. They are recorded to have lived up to 18 years in the wild and 28 years in captivity. The Baiji white dolphin. The Baiji is a possibly extinct species of freshwater dolphin native to the Yangtze River system in China. It is thought to be the first dolphin species driven to extinction due to the impact of humans. This dolphin is listed as critically endangered, possibly extinct by the IUCN, has not been seen in 20 years, and several surveys of the Yangtze have failed to find it. Western black rhinoceros. The western black rhinoceros, Odysseus bicornis longipes, or West African black rhinoceros, is an extinct subspecies of the black rhinoceros. It was declared extinct by the IUCN in 2011. The western black rhinoceros was believed to have been genetically different from the other rhino subspecies. It was widespread in the savanna of sub-Saharan Africa, but its number declined due to poaching. The western black rhinoceros resided primarily in Cameroon, but surveys since 2006 have failed to locate any individuals.
Coxsackie mice is a genus of extinct arborescens horsetail to which the modern horsetails are closely related. Unlike their herbaceous modern cousins, these plants were medium-sized trees, growing to a height of 30 to 50 meters. They were component of the understory of the coal swamp of the Carboniferous prairie.
Lepidodendron. Lepidodendron is an extinct genus of primitive lycopodian vascular plants belonging to the order Lepidodendrals. It is well perceived and common in the fossil record. Like other Lepidodendral species of Lepidodendron, grow as large tree-like plants in the wetland called forest environments.
Coxsackie is an extinct group of primitive land plants, treated as a genus, although probably not monophyletic. The earliest Coxsackie date from the middle of the Silurian, the Windlac epoch. The group continued to be an important component of the flora until the end of the early Devonian, a total time span of 433 to 393 million years ago.
Araucaria mirabilis. Araucaria mirabilis is an extinct species of coniferous tree from Patagonia, Argentina. It belongs to the genus Araucaria, fossilized branch and cones of Araucaria mirabilis from Cerro Colorado, Patagonia, Argentina. Petrified Araucaria mirabilis cones from the Paleontologisches Museum on Shin. Spider plant. Spider plants have long arching leaves that can be green or striped, green and white. Small flowers form at the end of the leaves of mature plants, which can then form plantlets to start new potted plants.
Smallpox virus. Smallpox is an acute contagious disease caused by the variola virus, a member of the orthopox virus family. It was one of the most devastating diseases known to humanity and caused millions of deaths before it was eradicated. It is believed to have existed for at least 3,000 years. Poliomyelitis virus. Poliomyelitis is a highly infectious disease caused by a virus belonging to the Picornaviridae family. It finds a mention even in ancient Egyptian paintings and carvings. The clinical features are varied ranging from mild cases of respiratory illness, gastroenteritis, and malaise to severe forms of paralysis. Leprosy bacterium. Leprosy is a chronic infectious disease caused by a type of bacteria, Mycobacterium leprae. The disease predominantly affects the skin and peripheral nerves. Left untreated, the disease may cause progressive and permanent disabilities.